everyone to this new video, and today we will try to solve the issue in the VS Code, and it's related to the Node.js. So we can see that when we try to run our code, it says that the term node is not recognized as the name of cmdlet function script file. So let us try some hit and run methods to solve this issue, and then I will tell you how you can. So let us first uninstall the Node.js and then try to install it. So let us uninstall it, Node.js, and then we'll again install it. So let's if the problem solves or not. So I have already downloaded the Node.js program. So let's wait time. So now it's uninstalled. So let us install it again. Next, next, install. So let's wait for some time. So it's installed now. So let us finish it, and then we'll open it. Then we'll see if it works. So it's working, and let's restart our VS Code also. And let's open our file. Let's see if it runs. No, the problem has not been solved. So let us try the different thing. Let us open the environment variables and then let's change something. So let us find the folder now. Where is our Node.js? So it was in the 32-bit file, I think so. Node.js. Correct. Please. So let's change our path to the bin folder. Control C and then let's add one. Okay, okay, and okay. Then still not running. Problem. Let's restart it. Then it's still not running. So let's go to a different method now. So let's open the environment variable once again and see what we can do this here. It's already been added. So what we can do is that we can restart the PC and see if it works. So I'm restarting it and let's try. So I have restarted the PC and now let's try to open the VS Code now. Node.js. Let's try to run. And now it's running. You can see. Wow.